DIY cardboard object making videos are going absolutely viral across social media right now. And here's the most impressive part about this niche. Nobody watching these videos can tell, even for a single second, that they were created using AI. The realism is just that good. First, take a look at this Instagram page. It has gained over 77,000 followers simply by uploading DIY cardboard object videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. Now let's get started. First, copy the link to this Instagram page. Then open ChatGPT and paste the link into the chat. After that, type this prompt: provide me 20 DIY object ideas as this page is making. Now simply click send. ChatGPT will suggest multiple DIY object ideas for you. From those suggestions, choose any one idea that you like. Next, copy the prompt provided in the description and open Flow AI. Select the Omni Flash model. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, then copy the DIY object idea generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the object section of the prompt. Once everything is ready, simply click Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a high-quality, realistic DIY cardboard video for you. Download the video, and that's it. Your AI-generated DIY cardboard video is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.